Welcome back to Leggari Products. Our team coated a massive basement floor that was turned into a super cool game room. Watch how we coated 2,700 square feet, 1 day of prep and 1 day of install. If you're interested in installing your own floor, check out this link below.
Check out this beautiful floor, another amazing project done using Leggari metallic epoxy. Our products are absolutely amazing, going over everything from countertops to man caves, garages, you name it. In this floor we used silver with black on the edges and then put a massive black, gold, and turquoise vein going all the way through the floor. This is about a 2,700 square foot basement, and it was done in about 2 days. One of the reasons why our floors have so much depth is the way that we formulate the metallic epoxy. We actually design the metallic epoxy to look deeper and thicker than it really is. It reacts with the metallics to actually give it even a more marbled look. That's why you see so much depth. So this is actually just silver with a little bit of black in it, but when you really step back, it actually looks like it has about 4 or 5 different tones within that silver spectrum. It's one of the reasons why our metallic epoxy is one of the most popular on the market. It has a self-marbleizing formula, if you will.
We hope you enjoyed the video. If you're interested in coating your floor, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of our awesome projects. We'll see you guys next time.